I don't give a crap of what people say, and I don't think you should either. Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you coming at you barefaced and everything, and I'm super excited about it. So like you see in the title, I'm going to be talking about my skin confidence, my journey with it, and giving you some tips as well. Now just keep this in mind that everyone is different, and I'm not, you know, preaching and telling you how to live your life or preaching and telling you this is how you're going to be completely confident, because everyone sees confidence in a different way and everyone kind of deals with things in a different way. So don't take this too personal, but definitely take this to heart and everything. But just know I'm not preaching nothing. I've definitely, you know, come a long way with my journeys to confidence, whether that's my body or my skin. I do have a body one up on my channel already. I did that last week, so definitely go check that out in the cards. And yeah, I'm really excited to talk about this because I feel like nobody really talks about this. Yes, there are some videos on YouTube that really talk about body confidence. I think there are amazing people who do talk about body confidence, but I feel like yes, it is talked about somewhat, but it's not talked about enough. You know what I mean? Like, not everyone talks about it as much as I think they should, but you know, that's that. And yeah, so I'm gonna be talking about my skin confidence, which I'm super excited. As you know, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a bit, that I did a whole like bunch of Actane updates when I was on Actane, so I'll link those up above, and just my whole skincare playlist. I will link my skin journey playlist, I guess we could call it, up above. It has like my acne story, it has like everything there, so definitely go check that out if you want to see it. And yeah, that'll kind of explain, you know, everything I've been through with my skin, because I don't really I'll briefly talk about that in this video, but I'm not gonna like go really into depth with it, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. So skin for me has been definitely a journey, and it's definitely been something that, you know, took a while for me to get to this and everything, because I went from this to this. So it's definitely been a journey in itself. I've definitely gone through a journey with my skin, and I'm here and I'm completely happy with how my skin is now, and I'm getting more happier with my skin as well and everything. I never really had terrible skin when I was wicked young, but like my skincare journey I feel like starts when I first started washing my face. Now back then I used Proactive and everything, and it worked when it did and it worked when it didn't. It wasn't like the most effective treatment for me, but this isn't that type of video. It's more about my confidence and how I see myself. The thing is that, you know, like I did struggle with acne, a pimple here and there for a couple years. Then I got more severe acne, and it was mostly hormonal when I was like in high school, but then in college it got more cystic. And yeah, so hormonal I felt like went away easier, and cystic obviously didn't. I had to take Actane to get rid of it, but I'm completely happy with that step and happy that I chose that journey, because it was honestly an experience I couldn't have imagined something better happening for me. I felt like just it was such a great experience, and I can't even believe that I don't have like physical acne on my face. I have scars, but I'd much rather have scars on my face than have like these gross pimples on my face. Not to say the pimples are gross, like yes, of course they're gross, but if you have pimples, I'm not calling you gross is what I'm trying to say. Like, I've been there, I get it. I think it's hard when somebody is preaching about you getting help with your skin, or somebody's preaching about, you know, you having good skincare and preaching of how you should clean your face. I've definitely had people be like, oh, you must not be washing your face correctly. Like, excuse me, I wash my face. I do everything. But like, you know, sometimes your acne, it isn't because of what you're doing. Sometimes it's just how it is, you know what I mean? So I think people that like never went through acne, they don't get it. So they shouldn't be commenting on it, if you know what I mean? Like, if you don't have acne and then somebody that does have acne and you're like, oh yeah, that sucks when that happens, I definitely know what you're going through. No, you don't, because unless you've had severe acne, you don't know how I feel. You don't know what it's like if you've never had a pimple in your life. But you know, to each is their own, you know what I mean? For me, it was always friends would comment on my face. Not always my close friends, because my close friends always have supported me and never really cared about what I looked like or what I was or anything like that. But some friends would be like, oh, you have a pimple. It's like, excuse me, do you think I don't already know that? Like, it's attached to my face. I definitely don't feel it. It's definitely not there. It's definitely like delusion that I just can't see it only only everyone else can see. So I used to hate when people would be like, oh my god, you have a breakout. Like, excuse me, I know it's attached to my face and it's okay. Like, it's not a disease. Like, I'm not gonna give you like the plague through my pimple. Like, so I used to hate in high school and people would always comment on my breakouts and just on my pimples because it was just like so unnecessary, and that's just such a high school thing. But it honestly like dragged my confidence down just based on people's comments. Now, I haven't got too many hate comments on YouTube. That's like the good thing about being a smaller YouTuber is people usually don't hate enough to leave you a hate comment. I've got a few that were like, you're ugly, I couldn't watch this video because you're ugly, but you know, I just brush those off. They don't even hurt my feelings. It doesn't even faze me. Like, I'm happy because I'm me, and you know, I always knew that acne was a temporary thing. It wasn't permanent, and I knew if I really took a handle of it that it would be temporary, and it is. It did take a long time for me to get help for my acne, but once I did, I really saw progress, of course, and I really felt good about myself, and I started getting that confidence back. Now, Accutane, I really noticed my confidence got back more and more. I would go out with makeup, go out of the house more. I would just feel comfortable with my bare skin alone, and that made me so happy. Just feeling so great about my bare skin, feeling so great about embracing my bare skin, it really just made me so happy. And that's not something that's easy to come by. That took me many years to be comfortable in my skin, bare skin, and it made me, you know, just comfortable. Now, I do have acne scars, which you might be able to see. They actually look worse on camera. I do have acne scars, and to me, that's nothing. That's like a battle wound of my acne. It's like, yes, I had acne. Yes, it's okay that I had acne. It's something that's a part of me, and yes, I can clear those up, and I feel like they are fading, but it's not something that I can really get rid of, you know what I mean? Like, I can't get rid of that from me. Like, I'm always gonna be that girl that had acne, and that's always gonna be embedded in my mind and in my brain. And yeah, so I always was self-conscious about my skin, and I was always self-conscious because people made me feel bad. In high school, people were terrible, and I just couldn't, and everything. Like, I couldn't deal with that. I just hated it. And now in my adulthood, and you know, once I left high school, I gained a lot of confidence just because I felt like in high school people were so judgmental. But after that, people just weren't. And I got more, you know, nicer people in my life in college. You know, there's still gonna be those people that are stuck in their ways, stuck in high school, but you know, you just gotta ignore that, you know, keep breathing the positive vibes. And you know, I gained a lot of confidence. I felt really good about myself, and I just didn't really care what people say anymore. I don't give a crap of what people say, and I don't think you should either. You should just be doing you and just feel what you want to feel. Feel those positive vibes, because you are beautiful whether if you feel it or not. You are beautiful with every way. And when I had terrible acne and I post videos with my bare face, and people were always like, oh, you're so pretty, and that really helped. That really made me feel good about myself because I was being complimented by just amazing people that are watching my videos, and I just felt that, you know, courage and stuff, and I felt that good feeling in my heart, and it really made me want to like clear up my skin and work at it, because I knew that, you know, nothing would change after that. I would still be beautiful just like I was before. I'm the same girl as before I went through Accutane and I had terrible acne, and I'm the same girl after, just with more confidence, and I can smile more, and I just feel so happy. And if you're struggling with acne, just know you're not alone. Take this as, you know, maybe a step to do something about it and to really just get that clear skin that you've dreamed about, because I always dreamed about clear skin, struggling with acne for years, and I'm just happy to like have clear skin and to have just a few scars, and I'm just happy to just be so confident. So definitely my tips of how to be confident with your skin is just standing in front of the mirror and telling yourself that you are beautiful, you are strong, you are beautiful, and you are loved. Just tell yourself that every day, twice a day, or however much you want to. Just tell yourself that and you'll start believing it. I know I would always do that, and after a time I did really believe it. And at first you might be sitting in the mirror and you might not like feel anything, you might not feel like it means anything, but trust me, after a while you'll start believing it, and you'll be like, I am beautiful, and you'll say it so confidently, and you'll feel so good after that. And I remember I've been there. I remember standing in front of the mirror and being like, I'm so ugly. I look so bad. I am ugly. And I would just stand in front of the mirror and cry and be like, I'm so ugly. But the thing is you're beautiful because your soul and your heart and just your personality shines brighter than what your skin looks like, what your body looks like. And it's hard, just even when you're in high school, when even on social media, whether if you have 1 follower or 1 billion followers, it's hard because people can be so judgmental, and it doesn't matter how many followers you have. Some people will just say their minds what matter what, and you just have to have that faith in yourself, faith of your beauty, and trust me, you are beautiful. So the next thing that will definitely help you with your confidence is doing something about your skin. If you have really bad skin, go see a doctor, go see a dermatologist, go get their opinion on your skin because they can help you, which I never realized. They're not there to judge you. They don't care about like how bad your acne is or how little your acne is. They're there to help you. They want you to get clear skin more than anybody else. So definitely go see a doctor and everything, and just that's your way to clear skin, and that will definitely give you confidence because you will just feel that like there is hope and you cannot have acne. So number 3 is obviously it's kind of gonna sound like very simple and just very like yeah, obviously, is surrounding yourself around good people. Now when you surround yourself around good people, positive people, people that just are your cheerleaders, you're gonna just feel so much better, and you're gonna feel like so much confidence, and you're just gonna feel good about yourself because those people are gonna bring you up. They're gonna be like cheering you on, and those people are the best. Say you have 2 friends. Like I said last week when I was talking about my body, say you have 2 friends. One is one that just tells you when things look good, tells you when you look good, and maybe when you not look good, they tell you, but they don't say it in a mean way. They're like, oh, you're still beautiful, I just know there's more from you. Or there's that person that just brings you down. They tell you you're ugly, tell you you're this, you're that. And you know, you always need those people that are building you up. So definitely just go for those people that are your supporters, that you know are your true friends and aren't those negative, toxic people. So get rid of, unfollow all those toxic people in your life. Yes. So another one is to follow some inspiring people, whether that's on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever it is. Follow some people that, you know, are skincare accounts, our skin accounts. I follow a bunch of skincare people here on YouTube and on Instagram, and I love seeing their posts, and they'll definitely inspire you to, like, you know, do things about your skin, or even just inspire you to feel good about your skin. And definitely follow people that you feel like will really inspire you. Having those inspirations will really help your confidence, and it'll also give you something to work for if you need something to work for, and it'll just be that constant, like, just something you need in your life, and it will definitely help you out. I know it's always been something that helped me out, and I hope it'll help you out as well. So the last one I feel like is really helpful is having a routine that you love. Having a good skincare routine is always good, but having a skincare routine you love is definitely something that you need in your life. So definitely finding a routine that you love and feel like you feel good about and that really makes you happy will definitely be a good one, especially if it's helping you clear your skin or if it's just helping you in general. That will really like boost your confidence, because if you know it's working, then you're gonna really feel like you can make change in yourself. And you know, changing your skin won't change your personality, but it'll make you feel a lot more confident. And I know I've felt it like that, and I know I've been saying that thing throughout the whole video, but I truly do feel that. And yeah, so I just feel like skincare routines not only help your skin, but they also can help your mind and your body, and it just gives you more confidence, and it helps you feel like you can do this and you can feel confident about your skin. And confidence is not easy to come by. I've definitely been there. I've been like sitting in front of the mirror feeling just so ugly and just not feeling like myself, and being jealous and envying people that have perfect skin and never struggled with acne. That was definitely hard for me, but definitely surrounding yourself around the right people, finding what's right for you in your routine wise, and just, you know, being yourself. That is a main key, is to be yourself, because your skin will change, your skin will get better. It takes time and it's not easy, but I promise you, you will get that confidence, and when you do, you will really just be radiating and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my skin confidence, you know, talk and everything. I hope you enjoyed this. I had so much fun filming this, and I just really like, confidence isn't easy for me, but it's something that I've came by, and once I came by it, I've just radiated and I feel so happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below your skin stories. I'd love to hear about it, and also let me know any videos you'd like to see next. I'd love to read your comments and all that kind of fun stuff. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for the summertime. That's what we're doing, and I'm super excited about it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video all barefaced once again, and yeah, I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye!